do a video on how to fix your dishwasher for this code that I was receiving. I have a Samsung dishwasher, and it is model, where is it? The DW7933 LRA SR. What happened was I was starting to get these two buttons up here. It was the heavy and the smart auto buttons were both like blinking, and it wouldn't run. So I did a little research and come to find out that it's a thermistor. And I'll show you how that is removed and replaced and how to test it. First, I've already done like half the work. You're going to pull the dishwasher out, but before that you want to make sure you disconnect your water, and then make sure you go down to the circuit breaker, shut the circuit breaker off, and then you can pull the dishwasher out and then lay it right on its side. Okay, so once you lay the dishwasher on its side, you have this bottom panel right here, and what you want to do is you got two screws. You got one here and you got one here. You're going to remove those screws to access this panel, and that's where your thermistor is going to be located. Take this one out, this one out, and then you should have a couple tabs that are right here, and that'll kind of pry the cover off. Should pop right out. Now there's another sensor here. This is a water, I guess a water leak sensor. Sometimes this gets wet, but there's no water down here, so we have no leak. But that's also could be an issue that I heard can cause a problem with the dishwasher. Here's your motor, and then right in there is your thermistor. So it's just basically two screws that you're going to take. I'm going to remove these two screws, and then the thermistor comes right out. Right here. So once those screws are out, you can pull the thermistor out, and that's what it looks like. So we're going to install the new thermistor. And it goes right in this holder. There's a gasket that's right here. You want to make sure that seats properly. That keeps the water coming out. Just going to push it in like so. And then just make sure the holes align. Just like that. And then you can put the screws back in. And once it's back in, make sure you reconnect the connector, and then you can put the cover back on. You'll see there's little tabs that go right in there, and it should click right in. All right, well, we're in the test mode. Looks like she's holding it, and the thermistor worked. So it's washing. So I like to do these do-it-yourself videos because I learn on YouTube myself. So I hope this helps everybody. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. Have a good day.